Hey there, Prof. Aram here, and in this video we're going to go over the concept of perpetuity. So let's get to this. Perpetuities are similar to annuities, ordinary annuity, except that we don't have any end to the cash flows. The cash flows are infinite. If you remember, for the ordinary annuity, we had it for an n number of periods. But for the perpetuity, we don't have any end in sight. You're supposed to receive these cash flows as long as the issuer or the entity exists. So a perpetuity is an infinite series of equal payments that occur at equal intervals of time at the end of each period. For perpetuities, there is no function in the calculator or in the Excel. You can just use this simple formula. And the present value of the perpetuity is the cash flows that you will receive divided by the discount rate attached to that perpetuity. Of course, I can't calculate the future value of perpetuity because we don't know future value at what time, because there is no end. We don't have any sight in the future, so it doesn't make sense to calculate the future value of the perpetuity. But the present value of the perpetuity is fairly simple to calculate. So let's look at an example. Suppose the Fellini Co. wants to sell preferred stocks at $100 per share. A similar issue of the preferred stock already outstanding has a price of $40 per share and offers a dividend of $1 per quarter. What dividends will Fellini have to offer if the preferred stock is going to sell? So again, as you can see, an example of a perpetuity is a preferred stock, because preferred stocks promise to pay the owner or the shareholder the same amount of dividends forever, as long as the company exists. The preferred stocks are an example of a perpetuity. The key point here is that the preferred stock of a company, even if they have several issues of preferred stocks, they should have the same rate of return. So here we have an outstanding preferred stock which sells for $40. So this is our formula. Present value is the dividend or cash flow over R. So we have the price, which is $40, and it pays $1 in dividends. So we'd have to solve for the rate. So the rate of return for this preferred stock is going to be 1 over 40, or 0.025, or 2.5%. So if you want to be able to sell this new issue of the preferred stock, you have to offer at least 2.5%. So the dividend that you need to offer would be we multiply both sides by 0.025, so you should be offering $2.5 per quarter. So again, this is probably the simplest formula that you will see. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching.